wildin' out in public, say I'm immature.
Welcome back to my channel. It's 12 a.m. and I'm doing this, but here we are. Hi, welcome. My name is Megan. Nice to meet you. Today we're gonna be doing a look. I don't know what kind of look yet, but I know I want to have green in it, so there's that. Let's just get started. But are we surprised though? No, because my looks are always late at night anyways, so it's okay. I think I'm gonna do my brows and base and then come back on camera because my brows and base have not changed since last year anyways, so I'll be back. And we're back. Now let's take my handy dandy revolution define and conceal. Let's just blend that in. Most of my videos, the reason why I don't talk a lot in them because it's so easy to edit without my talking, but when I talk it takes me so long to edit just one video. But it's 2020 now and I'm trying to change that. Yeah. So now I'm gonna take my Morphe 35B palette and get this green shade because I have a look in mind, but like I don't know if I can execute it, but hopefully we gonna try to execute it, because if not we gonna wing it. Put it in my crease. There's 2 weeks left until I gotta go back to school and I'm kind of sad because this break was real nice because last semester was so freaking stressful, but you know what, I did it and I stuck it out to the end and we finished it. My grades were pretty good. I was so proud of myself when I saw my grades, y'all. Like, my grades came out beautiful. But then I gotta go back on the 27th and that's like, well, you know how that is. Now I'm gonna take this other green in the Tammy X Revolution Carnival palette. We need beautiful blends all 2020. You know what I'm saying? Fallout doesn't, you know, like really bother me a lot. So there's that. Now let's blend out this green. I'm just blending the green now. So I'm just gonna pack more green on my lid. We're gonna put a liner, but I want to do some like graphic type liner, if you get what I'm saying. Now I'm gonna get my AOA Studio Wonder eyeliner and try to sketch out the graphic liner idea that I had in my head. Hopefully it turns out right. Here's how it came out. This part I messed up. It looks pretty ugly, but I'm gonna put some black eyeshadow there to fix it. That was my liner idea. Like this. Yeah, I like it. I like it. So I'm gonna do the other eye off camera because that was entirely way too hard to be doing on camera with this eye. So I will be back. So I finished the eyeliner and I wanted to add another little thing right there because why not, you know? So the lashes I'm going to be putting on are from Amazon. I don't know, I just thought they were cute, so I bought them off of Amazon. While I'm putting on these lashes, I just realized it's 1:49 a.m. Bro, these lashes out of this world. And that's on period. These are cute. I'm going to put some highlight from the BH Cosmetics Black Light palette. I want to put some green highlight on to match my eyelids. Because why not? Who gonna check me? No one. Now let's put some highlight on the brow bone. Well, now I'm gonna look for a brown, no, a dark lipstick. I found this lipstick and it's dark brown by Nabi Cosmetics. I bought that off of Amazon. It was a big bulk of lipstick and I just bought it. I thought it was one, but a bulk came. So it was like, no, that's too much. It probably was 25 lipsticks and I bought it and I thought it was nice. But I do wear all of them, so. And I want to put green in the middle, but I don't have like green lipstick. I'm gonna just put eyeshadow down there. Back to the Black Light palette. I'm going to take this green highlighter shade and put it in the center of my lip. I don't really like it. It's not bad. I like it. I like it. I like it. I just want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe, please comment, please like. If you don't, that's okay. That's also okay. No shaming. I'm just saying you could to be nice, you know. But anyway, thank you for watching. See you guys later.